As the Ukrainian drone army is staying busy, pushing ever further behind Russian defensive lines, one prime target is the expensive, sensitive and limited TOS-1A Thermobaric multiple rocket launcher. As seen here, one of these systems is driving down a road loaded with rockets, making any possible hit to quickly lead to a loss of the Russian system, as the Ukrainian drone was targeting the system with an RPG warhead. It will penetrate the entire launcher equipment, as seen with the drone striking, causing all of the ammunition to detonate in a massive explosion, absolutely obliterating the system, taking out another of Russia's limited TOS system, reducing one more, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.